What has been your biggest takeaway from today so far?
Oh, wow. I don't think there's any one thing. I think, you come to these things and you expect to meet other people and do a couple of handshake kind of things and, walk out going, what did I really get? Let me read my notes. This, I'm trying not to take as many notes. I mean, I'm a note taker. I've got about 30 pages of notes from today, and that's just insane. And working on my plan at the same time.
That I'm not alone in my trading journey, that I might feel like I'm the worst trader out there, but in fact I'm in a room full of people who have had similar experiences. Despite we might be in different spots in our trading journey, everyone's been in the same spot I have, and it's really been a help in getting me through the learning curve of trading.
That Austin has a beautiful beard. And the D1 is just the best entry for trading.
I guess just the perspective of learning from other traders and stuff, because like where I trade at home, I really don't get to talk to other people in person. It's all online or through like the Discord. So meeting the people in person, it helps you really get a feel for everything.